There are many reasons to have more than one version of your resume. Maybe you have varied skills that apply to different kinds of jobs. Or perhaps you'd like one resume for school-related activities and one for paid work. Either way, your resume will be a more valuable tool for you if it highlights the experiences that most closely match the opportunity you are applying for. The first step in creating more than one version of your resume is making a copy of the original resume file. To do this, open a new tab or window. If you have not used the computer you are working on before, go to google.com and sign in to your Google account. Then, open Google Drive. Find your resume draft and open it. Now, using the File menu, make a copy of your resume. When you save the copy, it will also automatically be saved in Google Drive. To make each version of your resume easy to find in your Drive, give the new version a name that matches its purpose. Good job! Continue making copies and updating your resume to reflect whatever type of position you are applying for. A resume that matches each job, school, volunteer role, or other opportunity is more likely to get you noticed. Now, it's your turn. Make a copy of your resume and change the name so your Drive stays organized and you can easily find each version of your resume.